Hey guys, this is Alice from Buzz, and I'm going to share how I've been doing my kind of beachy wave. It's a combination of adding some curl and some straightening in. It just gives a lot of nice texture and kind of some body and movement to your hair without being too kind of stiff or curly. All of these tips I learned from my hair guru, as I call him, Chris Webber. You can find him at Chris Webber Hair. He is at Vanilla Loft in Lower Lonsdale in Vancouver, just across the bridge here. I trust him so implicitly with my hair. He knows exactly kind of how to add color and dimension depending on the season and my lifestyle. We recently kind of made my hair a bit richer, with a bit more auburn depth to it, and a few more chocolate notes, but still keeping that brightness around the face. So I love it, and it suits this kind of hairstyle so well, and it's such an easy one to do that even I can do it. There's two different barrel sizes that come with this whole package. So I like to go for the tight one because I have pretty fine hair. If I'm really going for like a wavier look, I can get away with the larger size, but because my hair like barely holds a curl, I really need to go for the tighter one. So just combing out, creating my parts, and then just working it in small pieces. You literally just put it on. And so it creates like a pretty tight curl like this. So I'll work with like one direction on one half of my head and then switch it over to the other half for the other side. So it creates pretty ringlety curls off the bat, but that's good because I want that kind of tighter curl to really last. And then pop in the other direction, the arrow is going the other way, so just curling away from my face. So with my hair now in these like curly cues, I'm just gonna shake it out with my fingers really loosely and get some Oribe dry texturizing spray. And I'm just gonna kind of spray underneath just to not weigh it down too much, especially because my hair is fine. So Chris always then goes through my hair with a flat iron that's been like just turned off, so maybe kind of like 50% heat or something like that, and just runs through and flattens out the bottom of my hair kind of towards the ends, to create that kind of like cool textured look with the straight ends. Because I usually travel with my Dyson, because I just find it's easy to have a kind of like all-in-one sort of machine, I just flick on one of the paddle brushes that kind of helps straighten a bit. So I just hold my hair at the ends and just kind of comb through the bottom just to straighten the bottoms and leave the top alone. And then I just add a last little spritz of the texturizing spray and really kind of grit up my hair a little bit more, especially towards the roots, to kind of give that texture up there. And that's it. So that's the whole look. I hope you guys love it. It's a really, really easy one to do. Again, you can either do it with a curling wand followed by a flat iron, or you can do a flat iron, use it as a curling one, and also at the end just to kind of straighten out. A big thank you, as always, to my hairstylist Chris Webber for keeping my color looking so fresh. He's amazing. He's based in Vancouver at Vanilla Loft if you want to check him out, and his Instagram is at Chris Webber Hair. If you guys like this video, I would love if you would hit like and also comment below with any other tips or any other kind of requests you have, and please make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks guys.